Ever looked in the mirror and noticed those pesky dimples on your thighs, hips, or butt? It's that cottage cheese look known as cellulite. Have you ever wondered how to smooth out those areas? Does the thought of going under the knife to reduce it make you cringe? You're not alone. And guess what? New scientific discoveries are here and have been proven to help reduce cellulite naturally without invasive surgery and enjoy smoother, younger-looking skin. The skinny on cellulite. First, let's understand what cellulite is. Imagine your skin as a nice, tight fishnet. Underneath, you have fat cells and below them, muscles. Normally, this setup gives your skin a smooth appearance, but with cellulite, things go a bit haywire. The connective tissue, our trusty fishnet, breaks down, and fat cells start pushing against the skin, causing that dimpled look. What's really going on under there? Why does this happen? A lot of factors come into play, especially as we age. 1. Hormones. As we age, hormone levels, especially estrogen, change. During menopause, even though your ovaries produce less estrogen, other parts of your body like fat and skin cells start making more of it. This extra estrogen can mess with your collagen and elastin, the stuff that keeps your skin smooth and tight. 2. Thin skin. Over time, our skin naturally becomes thinner, making cellulite more noticeable. 3. Circulation issues. As we age, less blood flow can mean less oxygen and nutrients reaching your skin, leading to weaker connective tissues. 4. Fluid retention and lymphatic backup. These can also contribute to that bumpy appearance. 5. Muscle atrophy. Loss of muscle mass can make the overlying fat more apparent. Hormones, the puppeteers behind the scene. Hormones like estrogen, cortisol, and insulin play a big role. Here's how. Estrogen. Too much can destroy collagen fibers, leading to sagging skin. Cortisol, known as the stress hormone, it can weaken your muscles. Insulin. High levels can prevent fat loss, making fat cells bigger. The master plan to tackle cellulite. Okay, so we've talked about what cellulite is and why it happens. Now, let's dive into how we can reduce it without having to cut and invade the body and suffer through days, weeks, and sometimes months of recovery pain. You may have heard some of these solutions before, but applying these, especially at 50 or beyond, can help determine your success with this challenge of cellulite. The body at 50 and beyond reacts and responds totally different than before age 50. Exercise regularly. Special strength training designed for older adults and cardio can help build muscle and improve circulation to the troubled areas, which can help keep those cellulite ridges at bay. We also have to stimulate the muscles, the glutes, the thighs, and the hip muscles. Walking backwards is an awesome exercise to stimulate the areas where there is cellulite. You can even do it on the treadmill. Do it very gradually because if you do it too fast, you can hurt yourself. For those 50 and beyond, it's always best to have a partner with you or someone experienced in exercise medicine to guide you. Rebounding is also a very good way of exercising and improving circulation to the cellulite areas. Rebounding is safer for seniors because there is less stress on the knees and joints. A rebounder is a small trampoline that you can use indoors for exercise. It's like a fun, bouncy surface where you can jump, jog, or dance. Imagine a mini version of the trampolines you might see at a park or in a backyard, but designed to be used in your living room. For people aged 50 and above, using a rebounder is a great way to stay active and healthy. One big benefit is that it can help reduce cellulite, which is that lumpy, dimpled skin often found on thighs and buttocks. Cellulite happens when fat pushes against connective tissue under the skin. Bouncing on a rebounder helps because it gets your blood flowing better. This increased circulation helps move out toxins and fluids that can build up in your tissues and contribute to cellulite. The gentle bouncing also tones and strengthens muscles, making the skin look firmer and smoother. Plus, using a rebounder is easy on the joints compared to running or other high-impact exercises. This makes it perfect for older adults who might have joint pain or want to avoid injury. It's also a lot of fun, which makes it easier to stick with regularly. So, a rebounder is a fun, low-impact way to get moving, improve circulation, and reduce cellulite, helping you look and feel better even as you get older. Rebounding proof. In 2016, researchers published a study in the International Journal of Dermatology where they explored how rebounding exercises affected skin condition and cellulite in women. They asked a group of women to do rebounding exercises on small trampolines for 12 weeks. The women exercised for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. The results were pretty exciting. The researchers found that after the 12 weeks, the women showed a noticeable reduction in cellulite. Their skin looked smoother, and the lumps and bumps caused by cellulite were less visible. The study concluded that the regular bouncing helped improve blood flow and lymphatic drainage, which are essential for reducing cellulite. Get better sleep. Improve melatonin production. This hormone regulates sleep. The loss of melatonin can create a lot of issues related to cellulite as well, and just fat burning in general. Melatonin helps with a nice quality sleep and preventing a lot of illnesses. It's going to help you just stay healthy and help to slow the aging of your skin. It helps to keep your system balanced. The body naturally produces melatonin in the pineal gland in response to darkness, signaling the brain that it's time to sleep. That is why 7 to 9 hours of sleep is vital for overall health and wellness, especially for those 50 and over. It is best to allow the body to produce melatonin naturally, but consider melatonin supplements if you're having trouble sleeping. Always check with your doctor to get advice on the appropriate amount. The wrong amount can do more damage in the long run. A new discovery backed by science. Red light therapy, or RLT, uses red light to help the body heal and improve skin health. It works by shining red light on the skin, which boosts cell energy and repair. This light can increase melatonin production, helping you sleep better. Good sleep helps reduce stress and inflammation, which can make cellulite less noticeable. You can even rub a red light wand on your skin. Now at first you might think, that's not going to do anything. But there's some really powerful research using infrared light. It's documented to be extremely therapeutic for increasing melatonin and helping with reducing cellulite. Red light therapy is considered one of the safest, non-invasive, and natural solutions to help reduce cellulite with virtually no side effects. In 2014, Dr. Michael Hamblin, the leading scientist in the field of red light therapy, and his team published a study in Seminars in Cutaneous Medicine and Surgery, showing that red light therapy can help reduce cellulite. They found that red light penetrates the skin and helps break down fat cells, making the skin look smoother. Participants who used red light therapy in this study regularly saw a noticeable reduction in the appearance of cellulite on their thighs and buttocks. Professional treatment for cellulite. There are also various office treatments designed to target cellulite, one of which is FDA approved and available in many locations and cities. VelaSmooth machines are generally designed for professional use and are not typically available for home use. These machines utilize a combination of infrared light, radio frequency, and suction to reduce cellulite and improve skin appearance. They are FDA approved and primarily found in medical spas and clinics due to their need for professional handling and maintenance. VelaSmooth research study reduces cellulite up to 75%. Study 1, Romero et al. Participants, 10 people with cellulite on their buttocks. Treatment. Each person received 12 sessions over 6 weeks, 2 sessions per week. The treatment intensity was set at the highest level, 0 to 3 scale, and each session lasted 30 minutes, treating one buttock with 6 to 8 passes. Results. All participants saw an improvement in their cellulite. The study showed that the machine helped break down fat cells and realign skin fibers, making the skin look smoother. Study 2, Kulik. Participants, 16 people with cellulite on their thighs. Treatment. Each person received treatments twice a week for 4 weeks. Results. After 3 months, participants reported a 75% improvement in their cellulite. At 6 months, this improvement decreased to 50%. Researchers observed a 62% improvement at 3 months and 50% at 6 months. Both studies showed that VelaSmooth treatments can significantly reduce the appearance of cellulite, but the results may fade over time. To maintain the improvements, ongoing monthly treatments might be necessary. Research is steadily proving that there are real solutions to reducing cellulite and producing better-looking and youthful skin. The mistake is that instant results are often desired instead of accepting improvement over time with consistent application. The change is going to be gradual. You might think it's not working. Don't give up. Documented research shows that these methods do work. Decide on a method with which you feel most comfortable. Take pictures before and after, maybe once a month. You will be amazed at the change over time. As always, please remember that this resource is not to take the place of medical advice. Please consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, exercise, or considering any other changes to your health and wellness routine.